welcome back to our Sunday school. Today we're going to prep the vehicle right here for ceramic coating. It's a brand new vehicle. Alright, so now that we finished washing the car and prepping it using pre-soak, iron remover, wheel and tire cleaner, clay lube, and 3D clay disc, and 3D hydrofill. Now we're ready to start a light polish. We're going to take it inside. Now we're ready to start polishing. What we're going to use today, we're going to use 400 3D1. 3D1 is a hybrid compound. This right here, you can use it with multiple pads. You can use it with an aggressive pad, a cutting polishing pad, and a finishing pad, all with one product. My favorite pad that I have, this right here is our spider pad. This right here is a cutting polishing pad, the light purple. And then after I finish polishing, you always want to clean the surface with 3D white. So right here, I'm going to use ceramic coating, graphene infused, and the machine I'm using right here, it's going to be a 21 millimeter from RBL. This right here is my favorite machine, my favorite go-to now. The nice feature about this machine right here too, it has a lot of torque and the battery swivels. So in case the battery is too close to the surface, so you can move it away from the surface, like that it has more clearance and you don't scratch the car. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. Get ready to boogie. I'm gonna use 3D1, the 8 ounce, a light spider purple pad. You always want to prime your pad, especially when you're already starting. I'm gonna put it on level 6. So remember what we're doing here, all we're doing is taking off light imperfections and enhancing the clear. Like that, it has a very nice shine before you put ceramic coating on top. The good thing about 3D1 is very, very easy to wipe. It doesn't create dust at all for you. Like that, your environment stays cleaner. And you don't have to go and rewash the car. Okay, so now that we finished doing a light paint correction on the hood, on the whole car actually, now we're ready to add white before we do a ceramic coating on it. It's very important that you use white before anything, or IPA if you don't have white with you, but it's very important that you wipe it off first. You want to eliminate any kind of oils, fingerprints, smudges, anything on the surface, like that when you apply your ceramic coating, it's nice and clean.